week. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's going to be a Boxycharm unboxing video, but this time instead of two different videos this month, I'm only gonna do one. I'm gonna combine the two because I'm not gonna shed too much light on these boxes because I'm not very impressed. Okay, so without that further ado, we're gonna get started. So I forgot today's Mask Monday, and that just means I'm wearing a mask on camera and I don't give a F. So this mask I'm using I got from the Boxy, one of the Boxycharm boxes a while back. Comes like a little pump. I'll go back and edit and I'll say the name of it right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna start with the premium box. Okay, I already opened it. That's how I know these things. I like to open them up beforehand to kind of know if I'm giving things away, what I'm doing, and blah, blah, blah. So let me just take this stuff out of my box. Okay, I don't need that no more. So this month's theme for the premium was festival vibes. I didn't get very much festival vibes in either box because it's the same thing for each box, but okay, here we go. So the first thing I got was the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. I'm all about masks. Okay, this I love. I'm keeping it for myself. That retails for $38. It's supposed to be intensely hydrating. Honey mask for glowing complexion infused with powerful antioxidants. Ooh, this warming mask leaves a skin soft, supple, and plump with hydration. I don't know about the warming. Okay, it comes with a little spatula and it's magnetic. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's cute. That's cute. It looks a little thick. Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. I'm opening this up. Oh, yeah. I thought it was dripping out, but it's not. Like if I go like that, see, look, that's how thick it is, you guys. The next is Peach and Lily, the Goods Acids Pore Toner. This was my choice item, so yes, I'm keeping that because I'm running out of toner. That also retails for $39. I like the bottle, the packaging, and everything. That's super cute, super sleek. I like prep skin for the next year routine. So this does have acid in it, so it's going to help exfoliate. Yeah, just be careful with your AHAs, people, and your BHAs and your acids and all that stuff. That's my okay. I'm so disappointed though, like in these boxes. So forgive me if I don't seem too enthusiastic. Lavito Age Away Replenishing Cream, made with 11 innovative organic plants, anti-aging solution, proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while deeply nourishing mature skin. $69 retail value. I don't know. I don't think this is a, obviously it's not a known brand to me, but like I'm seeing look like Arabic, so I don't know if that's where it's made. I don't think this is made in the USA. Maybe distributed USA, New York. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try it. You know, I'm gonna keep it. I was debating on giving it away, but I think I'm gonna use that. Okay, that was for $69. Okay, IGK Hair, Good Behavior. I'm gonna butcher this, but Spirulina Protein Smoothing Hair Spray. Protected blowout spray mimics the smooth, frizz-free results of keratin treatment. 100% agree their hair looked like they had gotten a keratin treatment at a salon. $32 retail value. I am not a big hair person. Like, I am super lazy when it comes to my hair. So this I would definitely put in a giveaway for all those who blow out their hair. The humidity here just eats everything up. So I'm gonna put this to the side over here. That one was for $32. Then we had the Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. Okay, where luxury K-beauty and multitasking color meets longwear performance, magnetic lip plush paints, tongue twister, are luxurious soft nudes, feather light, blurring, matte, velvety texture, non-drying, and long wearing. $28. I'm definitely giving this away. I got the shade Wakiki Rose. It looks pretty. It's more of a nude on in person. I don't know why my camera's pulling up so warm. Like I just realized, like, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, this I'm going to put to my giveaway side. So then the last one was Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. $26. It's a mascara. I have some. I'm still not too sure if I'm going to keep this or not. So yeah, that one I said was for $26. So overall thoughts of the premium box, it's not bad. I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, maybe, I don't know, out of the 6. So that's not bad. So moving on to the base box. So it's the same little card that we got here. And the first one is Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Hydrate Primer. Being that my skin has been acting weird and dry, I'm actually going to keep this. I wasn't going to at first because I typically don't use hydrating primers. I use a lot of matte or poreless stuff. This retails for $32. Moisturizes, refreshes skin, helps makeup stay put, and it minimizes look of pores at the same time. Cool. Okay, so yeah, I'm definitely going to keep that. That retails for $32. The next is the Zoeva eyeshadow palette, $28. I guess I got the palette Rose Golden. I am not going to keep this. I was, because I don't have a Zoeva palette. But I was like, you know what? Let me check out the shades. And I did glance at the shades online, and it's similar to what is that palette from Literally Los Angeles, the nude. It's super similar to that, and so this is for you guys to look. So I'm going to put that in my giveaway box. This Zoeva palette is $28. 28 littlest dollars. Okay, I'm trying to like fix this. So that's that. What I do. Then the next is the Iconic London Illuminator, $41. I don't use liquid drops or highlighter liquid stuff. I already have one that I kept because I liked the shade and I don't have anything. That was from Suva Beauty. So this one I'm going to put in the giveaway side. That one I said was for $41. Then it's the Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. These are super, super, super cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. They are super cute, and I wish that I had 2 sets, but I have so many brushes as it is. So let me just want them to pop out a little bit so you guys can see. Look how cute these are. And one has a dual end spoolie. I think these are super cute. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. It's more than likely going to be given away. And then the last item is the Battington Lashes Harlow 3D Silk Lash with Mini Glue, $31. I don't use these. I use my magnetics or my own lashes. So these I'm going to put in my giveaway. So out of that box, a majority of it I am giving away because the only thing I put on my keep side was this primer. So yeah. Thoughts on that box? So thoughts on the other box? I mean, you know, I think the premium was slightly better than the base box. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the value is great and I will never complain about the value or how much I'm spending worth of, for the items that I'm actually getting, you know, how much they're worth. The way I gauge is what do I keep for myself and what am I going to put away in a box that I'm just going to give to somebody. So that's how I base off my opinions. Anyway, so yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items to give away. I think I'm just, I don't know. I still have mixed feelings about this. And maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe we'll say 5 to keep. So that's almost half. Half I'm giving away. Yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on your thoughts on Boxycharm. Do you have Boxycharm? Have you had or used any of these items? Your thoughts on these items? Anything that you think I should keep that's in my giveaway pile that you think I'm like super dumb for, let me know. Like, I want to know your thoughts on everything. So yeah, that wraps up this video. And make sure you guys sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my YouTube videos on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified of any future content. And I will catch you guys in my next video.